Hello friends, we are back with Python series once again. Today we are going to learn about how to install Python on Windows. Let's begin first with downloading. To install Python on a Windows platform, firstly you need to download the installer. A web-based installer, executable installer and embeddable zip files are available to install Python on Windows. Firstly, go to python.org and download the installer based on your local machine's hardware architecture. The web-based installer needs an active internet connection, so you can also download the standalone executable installer. Visit python.org and then download the latest version of Python. Latest version available right now is 3.11.0. As you can see in the picture, once you will go to python.org, you will see this kind of image and there will be a yellow button showing download Python 3.11.0. Press on that button. Then you will get to choose a location for downloading that file. Choose a location according to your convenience. You will see something like this on your screen. Now, after downloading, let's go to installation part. For installation, right click on downloaded file and select Run as Administrator. After that, you will see a checkbox at bottom showing add python.exe to path. Please check that checkbox and then continue. During the installation procedure, it will show like this. Wait till the installation is complete and then click on close button. If installation is successful, you will see screen like this. After that, you need to verify the installation. To verify it, open the command prompt and type Python version and you should see Python version in output. You can see this in this screen. Python.3.11.0 will be visible on screen, giving confirmation of successful downloading and installation. Something like this is visible on your screen, then it is successfully installed. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.